Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new massage oil. Let's get it opened up. Now this was really awesome because the packaging, they had two boxes. So this is the second box. We're going to get that opened and there it is. So it does come with a pump, which is exactly what I needed, and a little bottle, and this we're going to save that for later. So let's check it out. We have the Almona Ultimate Massage Oil. It is a blend of sunflower, grapeseed, and rice oil, all natural. So let's get it open. Has a nice seal on it. Pop that sucker. We're going to attach the pump and get it in. So you're going to turn right on the bottom, and then the left to pop the pump open. As you can see, it pumps really nicely. I tried the little bottle that it came with just to test it out. So it has a really nice silky glide, not too oily. I really enjoy the sheen on it. And so now here's the piece that we saved for later. This is awesome because it keeps the oil from dripping out. So there you have it, the La Almona Massage Oil. Check out my bio.